Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to backup any Samsung smartphone. You can perform backup in multiple ways. First you can use Samsung Cloud, then Google Drive, micro SD card, Samsung Smart Switch. And in order to do it, firstly go to Settings and go to Accounts. Find Backup. And select either from Google Drive or Samsung Cloud. Backup data. And enable backup, then select Backup now. You can do it both for Google and for Samsung Cloud. Next, you can use backup via SD card. Simply create backup file and push it to your SD card. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.